Good morning. Good morning, Dhruv. Can you hear me? Good morning. Finally, Laksh. Hello, can you hear me, Laksh?
Yes, ma'am.
So you have joined the classes after a really long time, right, Laksh?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I was weak.
You
I
were
was sick. I was
sick. How are
sick.
you now?
I'm fine now.
You're doing good?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good to see you, Laksh. If you'll open your video, it will be great as we haven't met offline as well.
Okay, ma'am. Wait a minute. I'm opening.
Morning, Sushant. Hello, Laksh. Good to see you.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Daksh. Why you people have joined so late?
Ma'am, the meeting was ended at 10:30.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Why you people have joined so late?
Ma'am, the computer class was going on.
Okay, hurry up, bachcho. Please be ready with your notebooks and books.
I'm ready.
After that, we have to do the question answers. We have done the very short one.
Ma'am, 50-70 we have to
Yes,
do.
ma'am.
We have to do the 50-70 ones, right?
Can I tell the first one of 50-70?
Yes,
Wait,
ma'am.
wait. Hold your horses, Daksh. Hold your horses. Yes. So yes, because you have already joined a minute late, we have already wasted a minute of the class. Now, we will begin with the further ones, right?
57. Ma'am, I've done 10-20 words in my notebook.
Just a minute, Daksh. Laksh beta, since you have joined the classes now, let me inform you what are we doing. Laksh, we have completed this chapter, the social changes, the medieval period. Okay, chapter number 7. And now we are doing the question answers. Right, Daksh? Oh, sorry.
Okay,
Right,
ma'am.
Laksh? You can just try to continue with us. And for the previous classes, I request you to go through the videos so that you can just cover up for all what you have lost. Right? Okay,
Okay,
Laksh?
ma'am.
Please go with the videos of the previous classes so that you can just come in context with us. Right, children? Okay. So as you know that today we have to start with the question answers of E, right? Has everyone written the first question in the notebooks? Who will go?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Now let me very quickly tell you the rules. The rules are as first we'll discuss two questions. You will write down those two questions. Okay. And as soon as you have done the two questions, you will send them to me. Right? We'll click a picture of those questions.
Ma'am, I have not written question 1 of E.
Write it down, Beta. Write it down, Daksh. Right? As soon as you have done that question, those two questions, you'll click a picture and you'll send it to me on the WhatsApp group. I'll correct it. In the meanwhile, we'll also discuss, once you have sent that, we'll discuss 3 and 4. Till the time I'll check your first and second question, you will do your third and fourth question, right? So that your time will not be wasted and we can do the correction simultaneously. Right, children? Clear?
Ma'am.
Okay.
This we do in science.
Very good. And one more thing is that if you have any doubt in the chapter, please feel free to ask. Okay? Abhishek, Jasmine, any doubt in the chapter? Hello, Faiz, how are you?
I'm fine.
Good. So let's begin. Shall we begin with the first question?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Okay, Daksh. The first question is, who were the gods?
Ma'am, the Gonds were one of the most important tribal groups in central India during the medieval period. The area under their control was between Jabalpur and Bhopal. One of their important queens, Rani Durgavati, is still celebrated in Gond legends for her courage and valor.
Very good, right? And children, this
Morning,
is
ma'am.
as told. Good morning, everyone. And bachcho, you all will write the answers in your own language. You have to frame your answers by yourselves, and you'll frame your answers in your own language, right? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So
Okay, ma'am.
yeah, let's Faria first write down the first one. As soon as it is done, let me know. Then we'll discuss the second question. And
Okay,
I
ma'am.
think let's do that also, because that we have already done. The second question is mention the names of a few tribes that emerged during the medieval period. And
We
write
have done
where
this.
were they established. We have done this, right?
You may cut this question.
Do not cut this question. From that, write any 5 important tribes, whichever you feel, right? Write any 5
Okay.
tribes from those and the places where they were established. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Get started. Aditya, where is your notebook? Then what are you waiting for? Start writing. Laksh, you can also begin with it.
May I begin?
Laksh,
ma'am.
I said Laksh, not Daksh.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, the first answer of 50 to 70 questions is on page number 52, last para, tribal livelihood.
I will not help you with the page number or something. You tell me the answer. I'll tell you that yes, the answer is right or wrong.
Okay, ma'am. The Gonds were most important tribal group in the central India during the medieval period. The area under their control was between Jabalpur and Bhopal. One of their important queens, Durgavati, is still celebrated in Gonds legends for her courage and valor.
Right? You have read the paragraph, but I'll suggest one thing. The answer is correct. I'll suggest one thing. You try to frame it in your own language. It will be wonderful then. Okay? Try to frame this answer in your own language. Okay? So, Sehaj, Jasmine, you also have to send me your work. So, I have not received any work of yours, beta. Are you hearing me, Suk? Mr. Singh, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, you have to send me your work.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Siddharth, are you present in the class?
Ma'am, I am present.
Good. Do your work and send it to me. I want these 2 questions quickly in the group. Okay?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Jasmine.
Ma'am, can you repeat answer number 1 again?
Question number 1's answer.
Yes, ma'am.
You tell me what will be the answer for that, bache. I didn't tell the answer. The children told me the answer. So you tell me, Jasmine, what should be the answer for the first question? It's very easy, Jasmine. Just try a bit. You will be able to give me the answer. Jasmine, will you be able to?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, in book I only find the where they live.
About whom you're talking about, beta? The first or the second answer?
Ma'am, done. First answer.
Jasmine talking about the first answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, it is given very well, very clearly in the book.
Ma'am.
Try to find it, you'll be able to find it. It's very clearly given who
On
was
page number 52.
Ma'am, someone Dhruv Singh is joined.
It's not Dhruv Singh, it's Lakshveer Singh. Lakshveer Singh, you're requested to change your name to Lakshveer only, beta.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Good. Write it down and tell me these 2 answers quickly, children.
Ma'am, we can begin second answer like this. The few tribe names that emerged during the medieval period are.
The few tribes that emerged in the medieval period are as follows. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
You can also the names of the tribes that emerged during the medieval period are as follows. Okay, Daksh.
Okay, ma'am.
Children, are you getting SST? Do you having, if you're facing any problem in any topic, you can always tell me that, ma'am, this is the problem we are facing. Okay, children? Utkarsh, are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Getting the chapters?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Sushant, what about you, beta? Understanding well?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Sushant. Lakshmi is saying, beta, you can also do the question answers with us.
Yes, ma'am. I am doing.
Very good, Lakshmi. And I request you to go through the videos in order to get a better understanding.
Okay, ma'am.
And children, there is one tip for all of you. See, we do not do more than 5 questions per day, right? Even if you're doing, if they're small ones and we're doing 5, if they'll be long, then we won't be able to do more than 2. So in such case, I suggest you people that keep on learning these questions the same day. Are you getting it? Keep on learning these questions the same day so that
Ma'am, I learned by 2.
like two per day, 3 per day, so that you will not get you will not get them stacked up during the examination. You'll be like, oh my god, how am I gonna learn all these questions, right? So if you're gonna keep on like learning these questions the same day, it will be very beneficial for you during the examination.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, in
Ma'am,
second
done.
question, ma'am, how many tribes we have to write in this?
5. Abhishek, 5 times.
Ma'am, done.
Done.
No.
Then please send me Utkarsh. Daksh, you have done?
I'm on second one.
Ma'am, from which date are ma'am final paper will start?
Better you'll get to know about that. You'll be updated regarding this. So most probably they'll be in March.
Ma'am, sent.
Good, Utkarsh.
Ma'am, they will be in March or February.
I think like mostly they'll be in March, and you'll get to know about the date sheet soon.
I'm online.
This also sir will inform you whether they'll be online or offline. Children, only Utkarsh has sent me his answers. Nobody else has sent. Utkarsh, spelling of medieval period. Medieval spellings is wrong. Corrected.
Okay, ma'am.
What's the spelling of medieval?
MEDIEVL. VAL.
E-D-I-E-V-A-L. Now please write down the third question first. And beta, these are very, very small things. Like the first letter of every sentence must be capital, Utkarsh. The T of the must be capital.
Okay, ma'am.
And again, the spelling of medieval, bache. Shero, Jharkhand, spelling of Jharkhand. Look at the spelling of Jharkhand, beta. Bills were in Central and Western and Central Asia, India. Tell me.
Ma'am, Asia.
Fine. Yes, Daksh, hurry up. Siddharth, Daksh, Abhishek, Sushant. Hurry up, बच्चों. Jasmine, Sukh Sahaj.
Ma'am, I am on number.
Very good. Hurry up. Send me the answers.
Ma'am, we can write any 5.
Any 5.
Ma'am, done.
Good. Send it to me, Daksh. Shan, Siddharth, Atharv, Saxena have joined way too late. Hurry up, children. Send me your work, bachcho.
Ma'am, these two answers are very short.
Which one? The Rani Durgavati one?
Yes, ma'am.
It's not very short. You can write it in detail, but yeah, the fourth one can be short.
No, ma'am, I am saying first and second one is are very short.
Okay. Done, Sushant?
I'm doing.
Hurry up, Siddharth. Hurry up. Sukh Sehet, Jasmine, Abhishek. I want all the 9 children present in the class to send me their work. All the 9 children will send their work. I have not received Bacho. Daksh has sent. Good, Daksh. Daksh, Bache, when will you start working on your handwriting? Are you tell me, are you working on it? Daksh, tell me, are you working on it? Honestly, I want an honest reply, Daksh. Daksh, tell me. Okay, children. Now let's us go with the third question. Children,
Can
you
I tell?
send me those first two in the meanwhile. Okay. So yes,
Can I do? Can I tell? Sorry.
Daksh, you have already given us the first answer. So the third answer I want from someone else. Who will give me the third answer? Who was Rani Durgavati? Who can tell me the answer of this question? Who was Rani Durgavati? I accept Daksh. Can anyone else? Durgavati. Oh, sorry. Who will tell?
Rani
Durgavati?
Durgavati was the
Quite. Somebody said, can I tell? Who can tell? Abhishek.
Abhishek.
Please tell us.
Rani Durgavati is still celebrating gone legend of her courage and valor. Rani Durgavati ruled the region during the 16th century of behalf of her 5-year-old son after the death of her husband. She refused to blow before Akbar and fight her Mughal forces.
Very good. She refused to bow. Right? We call it she refused to bow before Akbar and fought the Mughal forces with great courage. Yes, Daksh, what's your answer?
Rani Durgavati was an important queen of Gonds. She ruled the region during the 16th century on behalf of her 5-year-old son after the death of her husband. She refused to go before Akbar and fought the huge Mughal forces.
And fought. Okay. And it is not bow, it is bow. She refused to bow before them, right? Bow means to bend before them. Okay. Abhishek and Daksh, both of your answers are correct. But yes, again, I'll suggest you people to write the answers in your own language. Okay. Hurry up. I have still received only 2 children's work. That is of Utkarsh and Daksh. Siddharth, Sushant, Abhishek, Jasmine, Sukh Sehaj, Aditya, Lakshya are still left. A third is also
Ma'am, thank you.
good. Just Abhishek has sent. Well done, Abhishek. I would love if you also work on your handwriting. And Peter, which notebook are you doing this work on? No topic, no date, only answer you have written. Write it properly, you know, D, answer in 50 to 70 words, something like that. Okay? Do your work professionally. It should always be up to the mark.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Peter.
Ma'am, I have written the first two answers. Can I send to you?
Sure, bache.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Rani Durgavati was the mother of Akbar.
No, she's not the mother.
No, ma'am.
Who said this? Who asked this? Abhishek asked.
Yes, ma'am.
No, she was a competitor of Akbar.
Ma'am, how, ma'am, it is can be possible?
It is not at all possible, right? Very neat work, Lakshya. Wow, very neat work. Very good, Lakshya. Wonderful. Good work, Jasmine. Good work. The Gond, Jasmine, it's the Gonds, okay? And the G of the Gonds must be capital because it is the name of a tribe. Okay, beta? The Gonds were one of the most important tribal groups.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, I have sent.
yes, I'm checking it up.
Ma'am, done. I'm done. Answer 3.
Good.
Ma'am, me too.
Now let's see the fourth one. The fourth question is, write about the style of warfare of the Ahoms. What do you mean by warfare, children? What's the meaning of warfare? Tell me.
Ma'am, something good.
Ma'am, wars.
The technique, the things, the way they used to fight the wars, okay? The kind of stuff they used to use in the war, the kind of equipment they used in the war, all that comes under the warfare. Okay, so what do you know about the warfare of the Ahoms? Tell me. Who can tell me the answer? What do we know about the warfare of Ahoms? How did they prepare their armies or themselves? How did they train their army? What all did they do? Who can tell me about this?
Ma'am, can I just try?
Yes.
They fought the Ahom kingdom of warfare for the next 300 years. The first major expansion was at the cost of Chutia kingdom, which was annexed in 1520.
No. So talking about the expansion. Now, how did they fight? See, you can see it is written there that they were successful in mobilizing the youngsters to take part in the military campaigns, right? Okay. And yes, they also used firearms. Okay. What did they also use? They also used
Ma'am, it doesn't.
Yes.
Where the ma'am, it is written case study in which paragraph?
Like on the last page of the chapter you can find, right? Like they were able to mobilize the youth to take part in the military campaigns. And yes, obviously there's somewhat you have to use the previous knowledge as well, as whenever we have read about these people fighting the tribal groups, and the tribal groups have used, yes, they have used firearms, okay, and they also used high quality of gunpowder. Okay, children. So on the basis of this, you will write. Lakshveer has done wonderful work. I'm very impressed by you, Laksh. Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Rita.
Ma'am, can I tell the fourth answer?
Yes, Sushant.
They were able to mobilize all adult males for military services. What is known as the militia system. The owns state taxed and organized people by labor. Ma'am, what is
No,
it
the
written?
tax thingy will not come in the warfare part, beta. Okay. Right, the military, till military it will come, and then you can also write they used firearms and high quality of gunpowder. Okay.
Ma'am, they were mobilized. This line will come. They were mobilized all adult.
They mo- they mobilize means what? They mobilize means they were able to get many young adults into the army. Okay, and youngsters are obviously always full of no courage and power, ready to fight, which was good for them.
We will do 80 what's all answer also.
Yes, if we will do. Obviously, we never leave any question answers. You know that. Sushant also needs to work a bit on his handwriting, right, Sushant? And very good. Sushant has also mentioned the date. And 1 star Sushant will get for this. Very good, Sushant. Mentioning date is very important, children.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sushant, please check the spelling of important which you have written. It must be A-N-T. I think you have written E there in the very first answer. Checked?
Ma'am, in the first answer.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have written gone in
One of their
only
important. The spelling of important, beta.
Ma'am, I have written it A only.
Oh, okay. It's not clear. I think it is looking like E, maybe.
Ma'am, before Queens.
Hmm.
Okay, ma'am.
Oh, fine. Good.
Ma'am, can you please tell the how we can write the answer?
Which one, beta? First.
Ma'am,
Fourth
fourth.
one.
See, fourth one, Abhi Sushant read. No, you can write it like that. That yes, they were able.
Ma'am, they were able to mobilize all other males for military
Exactly.
service. Which is
They were
known
able
as
to
the
mobilize the young adults to take part into the military, and they used firearms and good quality or high quality of gunpowder.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Please try to. I'm just giving you hints, children. I request to people to write the answers in your own language. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Until now, you're failing well, right? Suksehet has not sent me his work till now. Rest, I think everybody has sent, and I'm very happy that many Siddharth, Athar, and Sukh.
Ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, wait, I'm sending.
Sukh said also left the meeting. Aditya Pratap also left the meeting. Yeah? There's a third Saxena have also.
Ma'am, I was doing the third one. That's why I forgot to send
No
first.
worries.
Ma'am, done fourth answer.
Very good. Send me them. After this, you have your break, right, children?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Ma'am, फिर on Monday we have to. Ma'am, when you will tell our marks?
Better you will get your marks, get to know your marks in the
Ma'am, sent.
Very good. Siddharth, you have also done the same mistake as Jasmine. It is the Gonds tribe, not the Gonda tribe. The Gonds were one of the most important families. And you can also write about Dungavati here. Okay, Siddharth, in the first question.
Okay, ma'am.
And very good, Siddharth has also mentioned date. Student, this is very important to mention date, no?
Done and sent on group.
Very good. Now let's discuss the last one so that our equation will be completed. It is state three differences between the culture of the tribes and that of the Hindus. It is very, very easy for you to write, I think, children. You just have to use a little bit of brain. Here you have to frame it totally by yourself. Who will tell me the answer?
Ma'am, in the book is not given.
We have read about the differences between them. You will not get spoon feeded everything. No? You have to use your brain and write by yourself as well, Daksh. We have read about what is the difference between the Hindus and
And the tribe believed in social equality.
yes, very good. I want everybody to please clap for Utkarsh. The very first point, he has given a very nice point, and I'm very happy that Utkarsh noticed it. In the beginning of the chapter only, we read that the tribes believed in social equality, wherever the Hindus believed in which system, children? The Hindus
Ma'am,
believed
the religion
they believe in the Varna system, right? The tribes believed
Yes,
in
ma'am.
social equality.
Social
whereas
equality.
the Hindus believed in the Varna system, right?
Ma'am.
Yeah. This could be the first point. What should be the second point?
Ma'am, they lived in forest, hill, deserts, and in places where is difficulty to reach.
Very good. Well done, Utkarsh. You're wonderful, right? So for second point, he told us that the tribal people lived in forests and hills and the places which were difficult to reach, whereas the Hindus mostly lived in the which areas?
Ma'am, religious.
Plains, in the plain areas, right? In the plains. And what can be third point? Can anyone else tell me? Sushant will tell me the third point of difference. Yes, Sushant. Who can tell me the third point of difference? So that what happened to you? You do not give any answers in the online class, offline class.
What?
You do not give any answers.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, Utkarsh, tell us.
Ma'am, we know very little knowledge about tribes.
We can write that the tribes did not write down their traditions or cultures anywhere, whereas the Hindus have written them down in the form of manuscripts, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Or in the form of manuscripts or the Vedas also we can write. Okay, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Or you can also write, like you can frame one language in different ways. That is one point you can write as the tribal people preserve their culture in oral traditions, whereas the Hindus preserve their culture in written form as in written manuscripts. Right? This also you can write. So Shan, we don't need to stop, we need to write. Get up. I know you get tired. It's okay. You will get a break afterwards. Okay? Right.
Ma'am, we have sent it our thin for answer group.
I'm checking them better. Okay, now I have discussed. Now you'll write the third, fifth one. But meanwhile, I'll check these ones. Utkarsh, bache, the spelling of century in the third answer is wrong.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. And children, again, basic thing. Please do not forget to put a full stop after the completion of sentence.
Ma'am, I always put.
Very good. Good, Jasmine, Daksh. Lakshvacha, you also send me the other answers if you have done, beta. Athar Saxena, you're gonna send me your work today? Athar? Daksh. Rani Durgavati was an important queen of Gond or Gonds. S will come or not?
Yes, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
Yes, S will come, right? She ruled the region
Okay, ma'am.
century. Now you have to send me fourth and fifth answers. Jasmine beta, Rani Durgavati was important or unimportant? Jasmine?
Yes, ma'am.
Important से पहले we'll put a or an बच्चे. Tell me quick.
Ma'am, and
An, right? So do the correction. Abhishek has left the meeting. A third Saxena, please send me your work. Jasmine, write down the fifth one as well, beta. Okay, send me that too.
Okay, ma'am.